Hello dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson, okay, that is set. Okay, in that set lesson, okay, first open page number 1. Okay, there are some introduction parts are given, but in that introduction parts the introduction of set is also given. Okay, there are some pictures are given. In that first picture there is flower bucket is there, then next one is bunch of keys, third one flock of birds, fourth one pile of notebooks and collection of numbers. In that each examples there are first in the first picture, okay, there is collection of flowers are there, means we take more than when we take more than one or more than whatever we take flowers, then we have to say that it is a flower of bucket. When we take different keys, okay, then we have to told as that is bunch of keys. When more birds are come together, we said that it is a flock of birds. Similarly, pile of notebook, and when we take more numbers, then we have to told as it is a collection of numbers. In that each and every collection, that collection of bird, collection of keys, collection of birds, collection of pile of note, okay, collection of books and collection of numbers, in each set it is called as set. Okay, that collection of things it is called as, or collection of object, that collection of object is called as a set. Next one, downside one another examples are given, that is happy children in the village. Okay, suppose in your village, city, whatever, or in your school also, in your class also, if you have to find out the happy children, okay, it is a emotion, like happy is a emotion, and that emotions are changed person to person. Okay, in my point of view, happy definition of happy is different, in your point of view different definition of happy is different. Okay, so we not tell exactly the which one who is the happy children in your village or class, whatever. Okay, brilliant students also, brilliant means not topper students. Okay, sometimes some students are brilliant in art, means in drawing, in playing, okay, that is in cricket, whatever. So it is also brilliant is also emotion, and that things are changed person by person. Okay, let's see next one. In both the examples, the word happy and brilliant are relative terms, because the exact meaning of these words, to be happy and to be brilliant, differ from person to person, means it that emotions are changed person by person. That's why it is not a collection of set. Okay, so set means in set we take exactly things are there, means keys exactly is there, things is there, birds are also exactly things are there, notebooks, okay, numbers are the exactly, but happy, sad, brilliant, okay, that examples are person to person changes are there, that's why they are not set. So some examples are given downside. See the examples given below and decide whether it is set or not. Simple one, days of a week, it is same. Okay, it is not changed by person, because in a week there are 7 days are there: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, next one, so it is a set. Month in the year, it is also not changed. Okay, whenever you have to go there, it is same like that month of the year, that is January, February up to December. Okay, so it is a set. Brave children in the class. Okay, so brave means it is a emotion, like, okay, that definition of brave change different person to person, that's why it is not a set. Next one, first 10 counting numbers. So counting numbers means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, so they are also set. Strong Fort of Maharashtra. Okay, strong means it is also emotion, means by point of view the strong definition is different. Okay, that's why strong Fort of Maharashtra, it is also not a set. Planet in our solar system, it is a set. Okay, because in the solar system few planets are there and it is constant. Okay, so that, or it is exactly, we know that, so planet of in our solar system, it is also set. Now next page, on the page number 2, there is exactly definition is given. Okay, so when you start the lesson, first you write the name of lesson, and then next one you have to write the definition of set. Okay, definition of set is given in your notebook, textbook, so you have to copy down it or write now. Okay, let's see if we can definitely means and clearly means, you know that clearly means it is same. Okay, when you go anywhere, it is not change. So definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection. Collection means many things are come together, that given collection, then that collection is called as a set. Okay, so definitely and clearly, it is important, definitely and clearly decide the objects come together, that it is called as, that collection is called as set. Now collection are denoted as capital letter A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, the name of collection of set, the name of set, it is denoted as capital letter A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, it is not we not take like A, B, B, C like that. We have to take only A, symbol B, symbol single C, D up to Z is there. Okay, and the collection, that element, okay, that element is denoted as small letter A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay, let's see. Either members, okay, that elements means member, the members or element of the set are shown by using small letter A, B, C up to Z, whatever. Next one, if A is an element of set, it is important, if A is an element of set A, okay, it is in word, if A, okay, that A means whatever, number, key, student, not student, sorry, the name of birth, name of month, name of days, okay, it is A, is in element of set A, then it is denoted as symbolically A, okay, belongs to, it is called as belongs to A, or epsilon, okay, in scientific language, okay, that is called as A is an element, okay, that symbol name, okay, or the meaning of that symbol is an element of set A. A means element, okay, of element of A. If A is not element, okay, if A is not element of set A, then, or we take in the change of A, we take different one, B. Okay, so how to write B? Is not element means, okay, is not equal to, right now, is equal to and is not equal to, like that same, is element, is not element of set A. Okay, so understand the meaning. A is an element of set A, and if B is not element of set A, then it is symbolically we have to present here, B is not element of set A. Okay, let's see. Remaining are given. So let's see now, we have observed the sum set, okay, standard set. Okay, so let's see, standard sets means by using number. Okay, in that number there are, when you learn in 8th standard, 7th standard, there are some set of numbers are given. Okay, that first one is natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers. Okay, it is, you know that all the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Okay, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. So it is denoted as symbolically n, that is name of set, that is n is equal to, in curly bracket, mostly in set we have to use here curly bracket, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. Okay, so set of natural numbers we have to show by using letter n, and we write that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Okay, after natural numbers, which number is comes? Whole number. Okay, in whole numbers, that is 0 and including all natural numbers are come. So how to present is, whole number for W is denoted as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Okay, after whole numbers there is integers. Okay, after whole number there is integers. Okay, and integers are denoted as capital letter I. In integers, in left side of 0 there is negative number, that is -3, -2, -1. Okay, on the right side there is of 0 positive number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Okay, understand? For the natural numbers we use n, for the whole number we use W, for the integers we use I. Now for real number, okay, for rational number, rational numbers means, for example, we take any example, that is 1 upon 2, 4 upon 5, -5 upon 6. Okay, they are infinite numbers are there. Okay, so but important is, it is denoted as capital letter Q, and Next one is there real number. For real number we use capital letter R. Okay, what is the definition of real number? That is set of rational number and irrational number. It is already done in 8th standard. Rational number means a set of real number means it is a set of rational number and irrational number. Okay, definition of irrational number is already done in 8th standard. If you want to take, open your page, open lesson number first. Maybe in first number there is integers and irrational number definition is given. Okay, so R means real number means a set of irrational and irrational. All numbers are come in real number. So standards are N for natural, W for whole, I for integers, Q for rational and R for real numbers. Okay, let's see for some now methods of writing the sets. Okay, next point is there main important point is there methods of writing sets. Okay, methods of writing set. So there are two methods. First one is there listing method or roster method. Okay, listing method or roster method. In listing method or roster method, and second one, okay, I repeat here, that rule method or set builder form. Okay, set builder form. Okay, so there are two methods of there to writing the set. First one is there listing method or roster method, and second one is there rule method or builder form, set builder form. In a listing method, there in that word there is meaning is given. Listing means we have to take the list. Okay, list of elements of set. Okay, in the listing method we have to take the list of element, each and every element. Okay, and that element we have to write in curly bracket. And each element are separated by comma. In a listing method or roster method we write all element in curly bracket. Similarly in rule method also we write the curly bracket. Okay, but different is there. In that example or in listing method we write the all elements by using separated by comma. Means for example set of natural number we write by using comma, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma up to so on. Okay, so it is represented by using listing method, we separated by the comma. Okay, now suppose another some examples. In a natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5, it is not we have to not necessary how to write in descending order or ascending order. Okay, that same set we write like that 2 1 3 5 4 up to so on. It is not important, you have to write the ascending order or descending order. Each every element will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to so on in 5. Okay, so in listing method we have to write this by using curly bracket and also separated as comma. Let's see in textbook. In this method we write all elements of a set in curly bracket. Next one, each of the element is written only once and separated by comma. Means each element we have to write one time. Let's see, the order of an element is not important. But it is necessary to write all elements of the set. Okay, order is not important. You see here, order is not important. You have to write first all elements. It is important. Okay, let's see. Example is given, a set of odd number between 1 to 10. Okay, we have to find out the odd number between 1 to 10. First, clearly we know that odd number means, okay, so but we have to find out the between. That's why we not take 1. So that one, first number odd number is 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, so that set that is 3, 5, 7, 9. Or some students write 7, 3, 5, 9. It is not important. You have to write the by using accurate order. Okay, not necessary you have to write any, but important is here also 4 elements, here also 4 elements. Okay, so let's see 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 3, 5, 9. Or some students write 9, 7, 3, 5. Not necessary you have to write the ascending order or descending order. It is important that you have to write all elements. Let's see next example. Another, if an element comes more than once, it is necessary or customarily to write the only ones. Okay, let's see one example for here for that statement. Let's see, we have to write the remember. Okay, remember. Okay, and the set is, what is the set? Set of letter. We have to write the set of letter in remember. Okay, suppose we have to take that set. Okay, A. Okay, we write the letters of remember lower. Okay, so first one is R, second one E, next one M. But in that case E comes again. Okay, so E and E. Okay, that E comes 3 times. E comes 3 times, but we write only single times. Okay, means more than one, that elements or number of elements come more than one times. So but we write in listing method, we write single time. M as it is, E already written. See here M also, that M comes again and again, but we write only one time, so we already written. Then after B, and then R is also written already. See, so that's why we write only R, E, M and B. Final answer comes R, E and M, B. Means whose letters or whose elements or which elements are repeated, we write only single times. R come 2 times, but we write here single times. E comes 3 times, but we write here 1 times. In same as it is, M comes 2 times, but we write 1, and E also 2. E already written. B we take 1 times only. Okay, so that's way in listing method. Some examples. First one, important things, we separated by comma. Sorry, we write in the we written in the curly bracket. First one, separated by comma. Second one, order is necessary, not necessary. Order is not necessary, means ascending, descending. But important things, you have to write all elements. Next one, whose numbers of elements are repeated or comes more than 1 times. So we write only single times. Okay, that 4 or 5 points are important. Okay, in notebook you have to write all in your textbook. Now next one is there, rule method or set builder form. Let's see in rule method. In this method we do not write the list. Okay, in that example we list is there. Okay, so list of numbers between 1 to 10, odd number. List of letters, okay, of remember, same as it is, but in that case we not take the list. Silly. Okay, in this method we do not write the list of element, but we write general elements using variable. Okay, variable means x, y, z are variables. Using variables followed by vertical lines, or colon. Okay, that vertical line is called as colon, and write property variable. For example, suppose we take A is equal to, okay, same example. Okay, we take same example for this. Okay, it is in listing form. Now we have to write in the rule method. Okay, we use here variable. So suppose in that case we take x is an variable. So x such that, okay, that vertical line is called as such that x, they are all natural number. That is, x is an element of natural numbers. All x are, but value of x, okay, that value of x is in between, odd number is there, that is 1 in between x, okay, 10 is there. Okay, so let's see. Read set A is a set of all x. Set A is a set of all x such that natural number. Okay, we not take this example, we take separately. Okay, set of natural numbers. Okay, set of natural numbers in between 1 to 10. Suppose you have to convert into listing form. That is, A is equal to listing form, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, that is same examples are there. It is in rule method and it is listing method. Okay, it is not, we have to not take this one. Okay, we write separately here. We take another example here. A is equal to, A, set A is a set of x such that, okay, that vertical line is called as such that x is an natural number. Okay, x is an element. Okay, x is an element of n, that is natural number. Okay, x, the value of x in between 1 to 10. So we write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so we read as a set A, okay, first we take the name of set. Set A is the set of all x such that x is a natural number between 1 to 10. Okay, backside some examples are there. Example B, okay, we take another example. So there are mostly important part is there. There are two types of write the methods. First one listing and next one rule method. In listing method we write separately, and in rule method we use by using variable and vertical line. Means in that example, in that curly bracket we write property in words. We write that property using symbol, whatever, using the property. So let's see next example. Example number second. Okay, let's see. Okay, B is a set. B is a set of x such that x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Okay, it is clearly that we have value of x. Okay, that value of x is in between 1 to 10, but that all numbers are prime number. So prime number means whose divides, okay, when prime number means whose divisible by 1 and itself. 1 is not prime number, but 2 is prime number. After 2, 3 is prime number, 5 and 7. Okay, so in between prime number in between 1 to 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so let's see. B contain the all elements of prime number between 1 to 10. So by using listing method, set B can be written as 2, 3, 5, 7. Now next one is Q is a set of rational number. Okay, Q is a set of rational number. So how to denote it? By using listing method. Okay, we take, okay, so Q, but it is in the form of P upon Q. Okay, always rational number represented as P upon Q. It is a definition is already done in your 8th standard. But P and Q are the integers. Okay, definition of what? Okay, first I write here, but Q is not equal to 0. So definition of rational number is the number in the form of P upon Q, the number in the form of P upon Q, but P and Q are any integer. P and Q are any integer, but Q is not equal to 0. It is a definition of rational number. Rational number definition is it is in the form of P upon Q, but P and Q are any integers. Okay, and Q is not equal to 0. Let's see next example. Some rules are given. Okay, let's see. Rule method, set builder form, and your right side on the textbook listing method or roster method. Let's see first example we take orally. X set A, okay, of x such that x is a letter of word division. So we write separately letters of division. So D as it is, I comes 2 times. Okay, see in your textbook, okay, there is I comes 3 times. So but we write only single times. Then after V, then S, then O and N. Next one is there, y is a number of such that y square is equal to 9. Okay, when we take square root of both side, square root of y, that is y is equal to plus minus 3. So value of y is 3 or minus 3. So it is in listing form 3 and minus 3 comes. Okay, condition is what? Y square is equal to 9. Next one, z is a multiple of 5 and less than 30. 2 conditions are given. First one, that z, that is the letter numbers are comes, it is in the divisible by 5 or in 5 table comes, but it is less than 30. That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We not write here 30 because that number is less than 30. Okay, similarly you have to fill in the blanks yourself, that is fill in the blanks in the following table. Okay, you have to write yourself. It is activity. So first one listing left side there is, right side there is rule method is formed. Okay, that is that in first, second, third one A, E, I, O means vowels of letters English. Then Y is in the rainbow colors, you know that is Vibgyor, violet, whatever, up to R means red. Okay, Vibgyor. In short, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay, next one, x is a integer in between -3 x. Okay, that is x, that value of x is greater than -3, that is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, it is less than 3, that's why we write only up to here, that is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Then 1, 8, 28, 64 and 125. Okay, in that case we take this example, last one in that table. There is one example is given. Okay, so m is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 up to infinite. So how to write? First we write in simple form, that is m is equal to 1 is a square of 1, 2 is a cube of, not cube, 2 cube, here 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube up to so on. So what is the condition is given? Set m is a set of x such that x belongs to natural numbers. All numbers are natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, but value of, okay, so value of n is equal to n cube. Okay, we take here natural numbers. Okay, n belongs to natural numbers, or x, we take x, no problem. Okay, that is belongs to n, and x is equal to n cube. Okay, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Let's see one another example, maybe same type of example is given back side. Wait, just I confirm here, that is practice set 1.1 example number 5. Okay, just give me check example number 5. Okay, x is equal to, sorry, it is some, okay, we write here and that side, no problem. X is equal to n cube. Okay, we change here only, x is equal to n cube, and condition is first given, x is equal to n cube, n belongs to natural number, n belongs to natural number. Okay, enough only. Okay, we have to change the place only, no problem. X is equal to n cube and n belongs to natural number, that n are in the, all are natural number. Okay, so in that way we have to take completed our first introduction part. Next lecture we have to take practice set 1.1. maybe you have to write in the roster form also yourself, no problem, but we take in next time. So today we stop here. Have a good day. Thank you.